up, guys? John here from the FX Trader. I just wanted to quickly do a quick overview of this head and shoulders formation, this pattern. I spotted this a week or a couple of weeks ago, and I just wanted to show you how you can maximize your profits by actually adding to your position. So you can see on the daily time frame, we've got obviously we've got our left shoulder, our head, our right shoulder. Neckline we take from this position here. Now, I'll tell you how I get this, my target level. Okay, you can see here it hit on the button, bang on. So what I do is I take essentially roughly this height here would be my target level, and then I would just move it on the break of the neckline being this level here. Label this, hold on a sec. Okay, so you can see that that's going to be my neckline there. On the break, generally we'd have a retest. You can go straight into the mix if you want to, it's up to you, or retest and then go long. But the interesting thing is, I'm going to take this away and I want to go into a 4-hour time frame. I'll show you how you can compound your profits. So this was the initial move. Okay, you would have seen the wedge, you would have seen the impulse move up, consolidation, and then a break to the upside. Okay, what we've got, another wedge formation, breakout, we've got a flag, breakout, wedge. So essentially you could have added 1, 2, 3, 4 positions before hitting target, obviously quadrupling your profits. So this is something to look for. Obviously, if you've got a longer term target, sort of you're on the daily or the weekly time frame, always look to maximize your profits by adding in these extra little trades going forward. And what you can do is obviously just move your stop loss up each time we make a break and we know we've got your signal. So another quick little thing, if you want to look at profit targets as well, there's another way you can do it. So this is from the break of support, resistance, sorry. You want to take, you can see that would have been your target, boom boom. So now from the break, okay, this one's going to be a lot shorter, as you can see, but if you had to look at it like this, you can see if you take your target, you actually would have hit your target from this flag formation, this flagpole. Boom, boom. But you would have added an extra trade. So that's how I trade head and shoulders. And obviously that's how I look for other trades to capitalize on and to obviously compound the profits. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and I know it's short, but obviously just wanted to get to the point of how to trade head and shoulders pattern and how to maximize your profits. So I'll do another longer video at another point, but until then, trade safe, stay disciplined, and collect those pips. Thanks.